about. And I'd like to take a minute, here is a list. I'll tell you how she became a physicist. China, born and raised in the science lab where she spends most of her days, researching, studying, writing and working on nuclear physics in her science lab. With a couple of tries, she was up to some good. Started making some gains, she knew that she could. California Uni is where she would dare to research with Luke Young and become a pair. The hand for a reactor, failing day after day, was then at 135 that sent it on its way. The Manhattan Project, for Wu this was a ticket. Uranium enrichment was how she picked. Working on her physics, Wu found clarity. Experiments on conservation of parity. Wu was testing atoms to see how they behave. She found root symmetry, and this is all she raved. Over the years she's won awards in her own name. Noble, Wolf and Ellis have brought her fame. Women's equality she fought with a low might. Recognition, honor, she knew it was their right.